Excel V or what?
Okay, I heard you. But I don't understand anything.
It's quite easy. Let me show you how to use Alibaba Cloud DNS.
Alibaba Cloud DNS is a highly available and scalable domain name system that provides authoritative DNS servers and DNS management services. As a domain name translator, Alibaba Cloud DNS helps you map your websites or application with source IP address on the internet through the convenience of domain names. To use Alibaba Cloud DNS, you must add a domain name first. You can add domain names that are registered either with Alibaba Cloud or a third-party platform. The following is the quick introduction. If your domain name is registered with a third-party platform, then you will need to add your domain name first. Then you can set up the DNS settings for domain name in the Alibaba Cloud DNS console and set up a record pointing your domain to the ECS instance IP address. Alternatively, you can set up a single record redirecting a subdomain to a different domain name. In addition to the two mentioned above, the DNS service offers a wide range of record information to meet all your needs.
Hey, good news. My website traffic is getting better.
Wow, congratulations! I highly suggest you to upgrade your instance settings with the development of a business. Well, as you know, it's a good way to maintain a secure and stable cloud operation business.
Wow, that sounds amazing. So what should I do?
Okay, here are some tips.
Customers can change the configurations of an instance and its internet bandwidth after it's created. When your business is constantly evolving and the performance of the server is not enough, in addition to purchase more instances, you can also upgrade ECS instance directly.
From the very beginning, back up all your important data and stop the instance. Log on to the ECS console. Find the instance that you want to change the configuration and in the action column, click Change Instance Type. Select an instance type and click OK to complete the upgrade.